Hey, Kjell in Denmark. Today I'm gonna show you a jig for grinding my jaws in my 3-jaw chuck, inspired by Don in the US. I want to make some grinder like he's making, and I think his setup is very good, and I want to make a copy of it. I'll put you on a stand. Like Don, I have this howling monster. Bought it on eBay, but I'm sure it's made in Hong Kong in a hurry and then shipped to the EU. And unfortunately it's not round, or maybe these, I don't know what they're called. It should be 40 millimeters, but it isn't. It's not shaped like a circle. So I had to make this a little bigger than this 40 millimeters. But I think I can do it this way. And I think Don is making slitting it up here, but my kind of doing, I don't believe that I can squeeze it so much. And now I've learned to make these split cutters. Then I thought I will do it with a split cutter instead. So I made one of these, and unfortunately I did realize that I have to use a split cutter before I made this hold. So now I had to set it up in the mill again and make the split cutter. But I think I can do it this way, by securing this rod here and then set it up in the mill and index this hold, and then a boring head. I can make the cutter. Then part the cutter in two, in upper and lower part. And then put it together. I believe I can do it. Let's see. But my next job is then to make this cutter. Then I'll mount it this way, and I'll make a rod here to put it in the tool holder. I think I maybe have a problem with centering the height, because I haven't got my quick change tool holder finished yet, so I can't move the tools up and down very easily. I have to use some shims, and that's a pain in the ass. But I think I can mount a 6 millimeter rod in here and put it in the chuck and have the tool holder up against it here, and then with a scribe line find out where I have to have my block, and then with some screws in here I can mount it this way. I don't know how close it has to be, how critical it is with the center, but I believe this here is enough. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.